when you create a video or edit it, first you gotta write the script or the words or the story, right? So when I write the word or the plan or the script for the video or the editing, I'm actually writing it in a way that first catch attention. Of course, we all know that hook so that the viewers will finish the video. And I'm also writing it in a way that works in the minds and the hearts of the readers or their emotions, depending on the goal of the video. So if it is for Facebook ads, it's actually already communicating to those people who are actually looking for your product or service, because you are paying for the Facebook ads to actually get leads for those people who actually want to buy your product, in my experience. But it depends on the situation. So let's say, for example, if the goal of the video is actually planting ideas or seed or plant ideas to the subconscious mind of the viewers so that later you can sell your product, it is written in that way. If it is written in that way, then the script or the story or the voice in the video that I am going to create should be right or goes like that.